guys, I'm back with a new game called Cats. I have no idea what Cats is. Well, I kind of do because I'm kind of really good at this game. And so we're going to do the championship. And like everything, I always do stuff when I just start. But I usually don't do that. So let's go in the championship. So I'm losing. I just lost by a minigun. Oh my god, people can get miniguns already? Stupid. What's that? Yep, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm totally losing.
But I told you the minigun was OP.
Oh, how do you get it? I need that
You need to
minigun.
complete the championships. Win the championships. That's the only advice I can give you.
Oh, come on.
Win the championships.
Oh, guys, by the way, go check out RMG GRANDKIDS. It's a great channel, better than mine. Like I say in every video, their channel is better than mine. It actually is, and I'm not just being nice.
And guess who's right next to him?
The owner of that channel.
Oh yeah, check out my channel. Hold on. Show your viewers my channel so they know where to go.
So you can just go on YouTube and
Search it up. Except you're subscribed, so you can just go to your subscribe.
So you just go capital R
MG and then space grandkids.
Space and then lowercase grandkids or uppercases in case. Crap.
There, just click it.
Grandkids. And
let's check out my latest video. 2 friends and a random guy. Awesome vid, must watch. Upload.
game. So
Oh, show them how to subscribe. They need to know how to subscribe.
no, they know how to subscribe. If they have subscribed to other people, they know how to subscribe. Okay, and make sure you click the bell. Click the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
No, don't do that.
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, let's go in the tournament again.
But you can't see it.
The freaking minigun is too OP.
Why are they using it?
Yeah.
That's a laser rifle.
No, the earlier guy was using a machine gun.
That guy's really kind of misplaced.
Mine?
No, the opponent's.
Yeah. Edward.
You're winning most of them.
Yeah, but like there's some that are just like, what the freak?
What?
Oh, almost dying.
Is this right?
I think so.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that was an easy one. Okay.
Poop's dead. We got a
Okay.
forklift.
Okay. Okay. What the heck was that? I'm still losing. Let's go and customize my dude. Oh, how do I customize my dude again?
You go to tap to edit.
Oh yeah. Here we go. So I want this guy.
Drag it.
Okay. What do I want? What is that?
What about your little...
Nah, this is a match. I want these.
Oh my god! Just do it. You want him.
Okay.
you wanted them. At least you had them.
Yeah. And now I need a suit for this to match.
Yeah. Looks like a prisoner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I have no money.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my god, there's some cool cats out there. Okay, this is my cat now.
Say hello to Catinator.
Catinator. Let's add in my thing because it's sucky.
But you just killed like a bunch of people.
Yeah, let's do the quick fights.
Let's see who has mini gun.
And then after this, I'm gonna end the video.
One fight, the video's done. Wow.
No, I'm gonna do it until I think I should stop. Okay. Gotta build up my stats. Oh crap. Yeah, look at that. Well, I guess I died, so this is the end of the video.